Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Averageif formula in your data. So I have a very simple example. It has few columns: market, fruit type, quantity sold, price and revenue. What I would like to see, I would like to average the quantity sold of different fruit types that belong to London market. So I will use the Averageif formula. It starts with is equal to Avera. You can see there is an Averageif formula. Click on the formula, then it will guide you what to input within the brackets. First one is criteria range. We need to select the range in which the formula will work. So this is the whole range in which formula will work. Then press comma. Next thing is criteria. What is my criteria? What is the criteria I want formula to look for? I want formula to look for the criteria this cell, which is London. I will fix this cell by press F4 and then comma. Next one is average range. This is the result column, the column in which I want the result from. So I would like to see the result from the quantity sold column. So I will select this column because I want to see the average value from this column. So then close of bracket, press enter. You can see 2366. So this is the average value of quantity sold column. So this is how the formula works. The formula is on this side. Start with equal to Averageif, start of bracket, range, criteria and average range. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.